MS Paint is a tool with similar functionality to the Shapes option in Microsoft Word. It allows you to input a number of shapes. It allows you to change the colors, to draw lines, to input text, to group options, and to also cut options. To begin, we're going to change the color. To do this, select the color option and then choose a color. You then have the option of inserting a shape. Find the shape option and then select one from the drop-down list. Click and hold to draw that shape. You have the option of changing how the outline looks of that shape and the fill of that shape. For example, if you choose solid color, the inside of the shape will change color. The fill color will be the color 2 option on your screen. If this is white and you want a different color, select color 2 and then choose a second color. You will see a group labeled Tools. In this tool, you have a pencil, a paint can, the letter A, an eraser, a color picker, and a magnifying glass. The pencil is used to draw simple lines on your document. The fill is used to turn the inside of a shape a certain color. If you apply this to your whole page, it will turn your entire image to one color. If you draw a shape like a square, you will just turn that shape that color. The letter A allows you to create a text box where you can type in your own text. The erase tool erases what you've done. It erases in the color of color 2 that is chosen. The color picker tool allows you to choose a specific color. If you're unsure of what a color is and you want to use it, select this tool and then click on that color. If you left click, it'll become color 1. If you right click, it'll become color 2. Lastly, the magnifying glass magnifies a section of your image. Lastly, you have the brushes function. If you select this, you'll see a drop down appear with different types of brushes. If you select one, click and hold on your page, and you'll see that it starts to draw a line. Each brush has a different function and will allow you to do a different style. Once again, you can change the color of your brush by choosing the different color. You can also adjust the width of your brush by selecting from the size option. If you see the image group, you will see that there's a select option. When you click on this, it brings up a drop down with a rectangular selection option and a freeform option. This allows you to draw a box around your shapes and then move and adjust them around the page as you want. If you chose the freeform option, you can draw around shapes to get a better and clearer cut. If you use the select option, you can also rotate what you've selected, resize what you've selected, or copy what you've selected. This allows you to replicate images with ease. Have a play around with MS Paint. Make up a little goal for yourself, like making up a simple logo. For example, make a logo that includes a mountain as shape and a river. Use whatever shapes, colours, brushes you see fit.